iOS 16 has an excellent new feature for content creators. You can now remove the background from any photo by simply holding your finger down on the image and dragging the image into iMessage or Notes. I know what some of you are maybe thinking, what's unique about this? I have apps that do this. Well, this makes creating digital marketing content easy when using applications like Instagram. For example, I can make eye-catching Instagram stories by simply pasting my images from the Notes app onto my story. Let's say I manage a restaurant's Instagram profile and want to market a new burger they are offering. All I would do is copy and paste a photo of the burger and the chef and stage it in an eye-catching way. In another example, let's say I want to advertise a YouTube video. And in my final example, maybe I want to remind everyone that spooky season is right around the corner. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Go and try this new feature out.